Oh, here's another one. Oopsie. No big deal. I have to fix it quickly. Look what we got. 400 F-Type. Late delivery. Oi, oi, oi. Another one to our collection. Oi, oi, oi. Little boo-boo, but no big deal. Run. So this is what we're gonna be working on tonight. This is just a quick teaser. What I gotta do. I already took the hood off because it was damaged. You can see the damages right here. Pretty severe. I'm gonna give it, a try to fix it, but then it's probably later for the other Jaguar. But this one is definitely not for that car. This only has 5,000 miles. It's the Jaguar F-Type 400, 2018 model. As you can see, that pillar is probably the worst, along with the door. I'm gonna try to save this door. If not, I'm gonna actually get another door. Believe it or not, the doors is a couple of grand. I finally used one for $1,200. 12 to 1,500, depends where you're at. That molding itself, that's $1,200. That's pretty expensive. That glass, $1,200. The front windshield, $1,300. And the list goes on. The most expensive part on it, obviously, is the hood, which is nearly $4,000. So that's obviously the pricey. Rest of it you're just gonna do filler and some welding, and should be good as new. The best part of the story is that I have to finish it by Saturday, Sunday, which is about 4 or 5 days from now. So we gotta get going. I will see you soon. Stay tuned. These cars are really pretty and really fun to drive. This is being a V6 supercharged, still has 400 horses. Okay. Now that we got the car messed off and everything taken apart, I straightened out the panels as much as I could. I'm gonna repair this piece right here in the door and use the fiberglass and body filler to fix the pillar. This is, like I say, a 1 and 2 day job. And I still got to put the car back together and buff it and all of the good stuff. So let's don't waste no more time. I'm getting to work. I'll show you what is going to come out when I'm done. All right. So here's what's happening. Nearly finished. Got this part done. The door's fixed. Just waiting for the hood. Tomorrow we get the hood, line it up with the door, and painting. Friday assembly, back together, and bye bye F-Type 400. Another happy camper, and it's saved. Right, so I skipped a step a little bit because, like I said, I've been busy and nobody was here to record me. And I need to get it done car quickly. So as you can see, I already used the body filler, fiberglass, and a little bit of welding and other skills to fix the pillar. Tomorrow I'm gonna spray the door and I'm gonna fix that piece. I can't fix the door until I get the hood. Dealer promised to deliver the hood today. They didn't do that. Because if I don't have the hood, I couldn't finish the door. It is how it is sometimes, Otherwise I would have painted everything at the same time, but unfortunately without the hood, it would be really hard, to create the shape of this door. I need to make it out of fiberglass to make the shape, The door is aluminum. We're gonna use fiberglass to fix it. So here it is. About 30 more minutes and I'm gonna put clear coat. Tomorrow, hopefully, as long as they deliver us the hood and the glass for the roof, the sunroof, what they call it, we're gonna be finishing this car up by Saturday. Tomorrow's Friday. So let's go take a quick break. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get some food Wife's cooking something up, and I'm gonna come back in about 20 minutes to clear this. We got the glass installed. Unfortunately, didn't have the roof glass before that, so they're gonna make it a little more difficult. Now that I got the glass installed, because my friend Glass got brought it and installed it right away. He put the headliner back in there. It's gonna be a little struggle to put all this stuff back together. We should have really put the roof glass first. There's a special like the metal tray with the actual like a sun visor thing that closes from the sun, and then put the glass in there and put the headliner. But we're doing it backwards because we are pressed for time. Today's Saturday. Car's gotta go. So I just unmessed this one piece part. He's right there. You're looking about $3,500. Nice piece of hood. Lots of aluminum. Really expensive. Beautiful. And here is our glass. Let's prep it and set some glue and put this on. Let's apply this glue and set the roof up. Everything is prepped and ready to go. Let's do it. Almost out of glue. It's okay. We got more tubes. And the work continues. Last day. Right now I'm just doing dry sanding with 1,000 and we're gonna go over with 2,000. I gotta cover this window up again. This time with the plastic foil so I don't get any, water inside, because I'm still waiting for the window. And after that we're gonna be buffing it and the car will be finished. I should be getting my glass tomorrow. And I'm gonna be able to return this car finally to its faithful owner. Can't wait to start doing mine. This is the F-Type 400. I've got the F-Type R. Hopefully I get those parts in a couple days and I can put suspension and start driving mine. Yay! It'll be awesome. So stay tuned. Next one gonna be red. I finally finished. Just washed it, dried it off. As you can see, put the vents back in it. They don't shine as close as the hood. So she's finished. Take a look. Finally done. Voila. To jest mistrzostwo świata. Jak maska się otwiera i w ogóle cały ten samochód jak on jeździ, jak się prezentuje. Genialna sprawa. Wszystkich zachęcam. Słuchaczy, oglądaczy i innych ludzi, co chcą lekko egzotyczny samochód, albo nawet bardzo egzotyczny samochód, to jest dla Was. Tylko polecam silnikiem 8 cylindrów, bo jednak szósteczka to troszkę jest jeszcze słabiutka i słabopórka, a reszta jest super.